Hey, this is Peg from Loves to Travel. How are you doing today? I just want to share with you my recipe on how to make this wild salmon.
Did we get this at Kroger on sale?
Yes, we did. This was $4.99. And fish is daunting to quite a few people on how to make it. So I'm going to show you my simple recipe on how to prepare this.
It's daunting on me to eat it, so I'll be doing Nathan's hot dogs tonight, but I'll watch you make this.
Yes, I know you don't like fish, but some people do like fish. It is very healthy. This is 140 calories per serving,
Right.
4-ounce serving. It is wild Pacific salmon. This is 1.25 pounds. And I've seen them as low as $4.99, and they've been averaging $5.99, $6.99. So this has been defrosted.
Now we got this on. Was this a digital deal where we were able to buy up to 5 of them?
I think so.
So I know that you had more in the freezer.
Right. So all I do is I want to do really easy prep. That is me. I work full time, and easy prep is what I love. This takes about 5 minutes to prep and throw it in the oven. All you gotta do is heat the oven to preheat it first to 400.
Which you've already done.
Right, I'm working on it. My oven runs about 25 degrees too hot, so I have it at 375. So a baking pan. And I use Reynolds wrap. Why do I use Reynolds wrap? It's easy cleaning.
And Reynolds wrap was on sale when we bought it.
Right. This was, I think we bought it at either Costco or Sam's Club.
It was a 2-pack, yeah.
All I do is basically line this. And what I really do is, because I don't want the fish to stick on it, I use like a non-stick.
Now you can use Pam, but you can use any non-stick spray, right? Mm-hmm. And I think it's Good and Gather. Is that the Target brand?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
So there is like a tab to open it, but my hands are very weak, so I tend to use a scissor.
And you've been thawing this out for most of the day, right? This has been in the freezer?
This has been in a freezer and refrigerator. So this is ready to go. It's pretty soft, as you can tell. It's not frozen.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll put this in the sink. And there are tabs here to do it also, if you really want to do tabs, but I tend to cut it. Now I'm going to cut it over the sink, so you know, because there may be some fish juice in there. So I'm doing it over the sink. You can rinse it if you want to. I'll be right back. Oh, there's my oven.
Oven's ready, honey.
So you want to put the skin side down. So there's the fish.
I noticed the fish is already cut into quarters.
Yeah, it's a serving each. That's the portions.
Wow, it's already cut into 8 portions. Or
Well,
cut
4.
at least partially through to the skin, right?
It's 4 portions, so you can cut each
Oh,
portion
4
out.
portions, okay.
I pre-wash the vegetables, so basically you can use any kind of vegetables you want. These are the mushrooms from Trader Joe's. These were from last week's, and this is this week's. So you could tell the older ones are a little bit more brown, and the new ones are white. So you can use any vegetable you want. Whoops. I just basically cut these. Take the ends off. These have been washed already.
How long have we been married? 32 years now? 33 this year?
You don't know.
33 this year? That cutting board is 33, will be 33 years old in September.
Thank you for letting us know. It works.
I know.
So all I really do is put the vegetables around. That's all I do. I throw them around. This is one of the simplest meals to do. Whatever your favorite vegetable is, put it in there. The onions, green onions. These are the ones I also bought at Trader Joe's. I'll put those last. And of course you want real onions. We love real onions. And just a leftover onion. So before you put the rest of the vegetables right around there, we have lemon pepper.
And we got this at either Sam's or Costco, right?
This is all I use. Very
Yeah.
simple. I just literally be careful when you sprinkle because you may want it a little heavier, a little bit lighter. However much you want on it.
That's just lemon pepper, right?
Yes, it's just lemon pepper. It's nothing too exciting. It's just, like I said, tones, lemon pepper seasoning blend. That's it. And it is good for chicken, fish, and veggies. I just like to have a cover on it before I put the rest of the vegetables in. So we have the onions. And everybody was talking about this. You don't even have to cut. If you want to be really simple, you can always buy frozen vegetables. These were from Trader Joe. It is the organic rainbow cauliflower. If you really want to cheat and you don't want to cut, you can always basically pop out frozen vegetables and just basically put them on there. It could be frozen.
Are you going to use the whole bag?
No. I'm not going to use the whole bag. I'll use like half a bag. So I used half a bag. And then you just basically put the green onions in also. Any vegetable you want. You could put carrots, you could put celery. This is just a little bit fancier. And the magic is another piece of foil.
That is going to kind of help keep the juices in, right?
Yep. And all I do is basically fold it over.
So you're almost steaming it too, right?
Mm-hmm. So that didn't take more than a couple minutes, really. Try to group them together the best as possible. That's it. So we'll put it in the oven for about 25 minutes.
That's it?
That's it.
25 minutes is all it takes in the oven?
Yes. Timer.
Wow.
So 25 minutes and we'll be back.
Cool.
So we have about a minute and a half left.
My question is just 25 minutes, that's all it takes to make that?
Yes.
That's
If it's thawed.
Okay, now if it's frozen, how long?
I think it says about 40 to 50 minutes. Read the directions of the package, but I think that's what it was.
Okay, so really not long at all to make that.
No, and as I was doing it, I made you your hot dogs
Oh, my
for
Nathan's hot dogs.
dinner. Yes, I'll show you those before it rings. Yes, Steve got his Nathan's hot dogs right there. Yes.
Now remember, I've always said, never, ever boil. If you boil a Nathan's hot dog, I'll disown you.
Yeah, but he wanted Nathan's hot dogs for dinner since he doesn't eat fish. So I'm going to go to the oven. Of course, cancel. Of of course, I have pot holders, and I have a pan here. I mean, I have trivets.
What'd you call them?
Trivets.
Trivets?
Those are what they are.
Is that what? I never knew that name.
Yeah, they're trivets.
I just learned that. Wow, I never knew that. Trivets?
That's what I thought they were called.
Oh, I have no idea.
Okay, or pot holders or something underneath it so it doesn't burn.
Yeah.
When you open this, it is 25 minutes. You always want to not touch it because it's going to have steam coming out. So you want to basically just lift that up. See? Put that to the side.
Wow.
The other thing you could do is, I did not add this, but you could always put, before you serve, some seasoned salt on the vegetables or salt and pepper.
Just some Lowry seasoned salt?
Yep, that's all you can do, that you all need to do. See, here it is.
Yep, so there's the fish, all done now.
Remember, it's pre-portioned, so all you gotta do is basically follow the lines. That's it. Well, I did not cut it right. That was bad on me.
You didn't cut it right, or they didn't cut it right?
I don't know, it didn't come out very good. But so all you do is just put it on a plate.
Add some veggies.
For color. That's it. There it is.
Yeah, big difference between that and my Nathan's hot dogs.
Yeah.
So, thanks for watching our video. Thanks for watching Peg's video, I should say. I'm the cameraman on this one, so thanks for watching our video. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below if you've not already done so. Also that bell notification button below. And if you like the video, please, 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 please hit that like button. You'll help us out immensely.
Thank you for watching.